Fred Hampton was 21 years old when the government helped kill him in his sleep. December 4th, 1969, 4:45 in the morning. Chicago police raided his apartment. Hampton never made it out of bed. Forensic analysis later counted the bullet trajectories. Nearly every shot came from one direction, into the room, not out of it. The official story was a firefight. The evidence said execution. The FBI had provided the floor plan. They knew exactly where Hampton slept. A federal informant named William O'Neill had access to Hampton the night before the raid. O'Neill later admitted to drugging Hampton's drink. When survivors sued, the government paid out $1.85 million. No admission of guilt, no criminal charges. Not one federal agent was ever prosecuted. The documents proving FBI involvement sat classified for years. When they finally surfaced, the cover story collapsed completely. Someone approved that floor plan. Someone signed off. That person was never named in any criminal proceeding. They retired. They collected a pension. Follow Midnight Whisper. A new dark secret drops tonight at 7.